You may have seen this app and thought it looks confusing at first, but it's actually built for one main purpose: managing employees, shifts, and workplace coordination in one place. In this video, I'll show you a quick overview of how this app works and what it's mainly used for. Once you open the app, the home dashboard usually shows your assigned shifts, tasks, notifications, and attendance options. This helps workers check schedules quickly without contacting managers repeatedly. One of the main features is shift management. Employees can view upcoming work timings, confirm attendance, and sometimes even request shift changes depending on company settings. The app also supports check-ins and attendance tracking. In many workplaces, employees must check in directly from the work location for accurate records. Another useful feature is task management. Managers can assign work, update instructions, and monitor progress in real time, especially for teams working across multiple locations. Notifications are also important here because schedule changes or urgent updates appear instantly inside the app instead of getting lost in chats or emails. Now, is this app worth using? For companies handling shift-based employees or workforce operations, apps like this help reduce confusion and keep communication more organized. This video is made for educational and informational purposes only. Features and interface may change depending on updates and company configurations. Always follow your workplace policies and official app guidelines while using the platform.